They're charging 106, 142, 178, and take 7 days to deliver. We can deliver this in less than an hour. Hey guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you the fastest ways to make money online using ChatGPT and AI. This requires no money upfront and it takes only a few minutes to do. So let's get started. We'll be starting with sales copy in my top 4 list. If you don't know what sales copy is, essentially writing sales script to businesses and professionals. And what they charge for is crazy. You see here $150 an hour, $50 an hour, $60 an hour. And on Fiverr, they charge upwards to $1,000. This skill used to actually be a really hard skill to acquire and it used to take a lot of time and effort to develop. But with ChatGPT, we can write script that is almost as good as mid to senior level professionals. So I will show you right now the examples on how you can write the script. On here on ChatGPT, I'll be writing, let's say, a script, an email script for selling watches, let's say. And you can just copy this and deliver it. And maybe if they want to revise it, you just change some little things and just whatever comment they give you about what they dislike about this, you can write it down here and ChatGPT gonna fix it, like remove discount. See, it's gonna remove the discount. It's that simple. You just, whatever the message or feedback they give you, give that feedback to ChatGPT and it will fix it. So the second way, using resume and cover letter writing. This is my favorite method. I will show you in a second how to do this, but I made a whole video about this and tips and ways you can make better cover letter and resumes and make money with it. But I will show you right now in Fiverr. People are charging $135, $106 for resume and cover letter writing. And this is growing in demand due to the increase in unemployment rates. And what we'll be doing right now is provide these services for half the cost, maybe $57 or $50, $40, whatever price you think is fair, at higher quality arguably, because you'll be doing what I'm going to show you right now. So on here on ChatGPT, what you want to do is, let's say, write a resume. So let's say you want to write a resume for a software developer, and what you want to do is, after the resume is written, you're going to see it's going to generate resumes. At the end, you're going to do this very crucial step to make the resume even better, is by saying add keywords. And you want to add keywords to whatever industry this resume is in. So for this resume is clearly software developer in the tech industry. You're going to say add tech keywords to the resume. This way, it will make the resume more filled with keywords that are interesting to employers. And then when the candidates send that resume to the company and they use ADS or whatever scanning software, it will be able to pick up on this resume being, this person is what we're looking for, it has the skills they're looking for, and then they're gonna give them a reply. You see here as well, they're charging 106, 142, 178, and take 7 days to deliver. We can deliver this in less than an hour and charge way less than this. So there is a lot of money to be made here, and yeah, keep that in mind. And the third top way to make money with ChatGPT is writing articles on blog posts. You see here, professionals are charging on $100 an hour, $40 an hour, $100 an hour on Upwork. On Fiverr, they're charging $70, $200, $14 and $21, depending on the amount of work they're doing. Now, what I would recommend you do is focus on SEO type of blogs, because this is where ChatGPT is the most powerful. What we can do is write blogs and then the end, add keywords. So you're going to come here in ChatGPT and write, let's say, whatever topic you want, let's say dogs. And then after writing that 200 words, what you want to do is say add keywords about dogs. Or you can make a list of keywords that you want to add and say add those keywords to this blog. So let's say add keywords about dogs, and then you can just copy this and deliver it. It's that simple. And just make sure to make the post more focused toward providing value on that SEO space. Last and fourth step is script writing. And what script writing is essentially writing a script for professional video and broadcast businesses. But right now, I recommend that you focus more on the YouTube space, because there is a growing demand for script writers in the YouTube space. And I'm going to show you right now on ChatGPT how we can use that to write the script and how we can add personality to it. So on here, let's say, and you're going to wait for ChatGPT to generate the text for you. And then at the end, what you're going to type is this: add energy. That's all. ChatGPT will understand that adding energy meaning adding like more personality. So then just write add energy and you're gonna see how this works. So add energy, and you can see it's gonna make some jokes along the way as well. So it will do all that work for you, increasing the quality of your work. Especially for YouTubers, this is gonna be very helpful. So yeah, those are my top 4 list, and thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more videos like this, and let me know down in the comments if you need help. I will try to do my best. And yeah, take care.